Hi, I'm Sarah from the DIY Mama blog, and I'm back this week to unbox another CSA produce box from Yasukochi Family Farms in Oceanside, California. And I also have my helper Emma here today to help me unbox all of this wonderful produce. Emma, why are you so excited to open up this box?
Because we're gonna make smoothies with our dinner.
Yeah, we are. Okay. So we're gonna find lots of awesome fruits and vegetables to put into our smoothies. Do you wanna get started, Emma?
Sure.
Okay, what's first?
Some peach.
Yeah.
They're super soft.
Yeah, are you gonna put those in your smoothie?
Maybe.
Okay.
We
What's
have
next?
eggplant.
Okay.
And the next thing I actually see is some strawberries.
Strawberries, yum. Look at this amazing box of fresh picked strawberries.
Yes.
And this is a great reminder that the Yasukochi family is putting on a strawberry jam contest from now through August 1st. So this is your chance to make your best strawberry jam, and you could win a 20-week CSA box subscription from Yasukochi Family Farms. And that's worth over $500. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have some fresh picked mushrooms.
Yum. Wow, they really pack these tight, huh?
Yeah.
Yummy mushrooms. What's next?
Yep. We have
More mushrooms that fill out. Okay.
Yeah. We have some avocado.
Yum, my favorite.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay. What else?
We have a Today we have a zucchini.
Whoa, that's a giant zucchini. I
Yeah.
can't wait to chop that up and eat it. What else?
Yeah. We have some fresh picked oranges.
Yeah. Are you gonna put those in your smoothie?
Maybe.
Okay. What else?
We have some fresh picked tomatoes.
Yum.
And we also have some raspberries today.
Ooh, are you gonna put those in your smoothie?
Maybe.
Okay.
We have some artichoke.
Yum.
She will have to teach me how to eat this.
You've never had one before?
Nope.
Okay. What else?
We have some basil.
Ooh, yum. My favorite herb. Okay.
And we have some
Bok choy.
bok choy. And we also have some more bok
More
choy.
bok choy. Yum.
And we have some lettuce for a fresh picked salad tonight with our dinner.
That'll be super good too.
Yeah, we have some fresh picked big pieces of trees.
No, what are those really called?
Broccoli.
Yeah. Is running out of room over there?
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
We also have some bell peppers. Look at this big red bell pepper.
It's giant, isn't it?
Yeah, and this green one is super small.
Yeah. Okay. What else?
We also have some white potatoes today.
Okay.
And we have some red potatoes.
Okay. What else?
We also have some garlic.
Ooh, so we can make some garlic mashed potatoes tonight?
Yep. And we have some, we also have some special cucumbers to only make pickles with it.
Well, we could do other stuff, but these are pickling cucumbers, so they're great for making your own pickles.
Yep. And we also have some green onions today.
Okay.
And we have some grapes which fell out.
That's okay. Here we go. Yum. More grapes?
Yep.
Okay.
These look so good.
I know.
And they are super good.
Did you eat one already?
Yes.
Okay. What's
Carrots.
next? Yeah.
Sword.
Are you gonna put carrots in your smoothie?
Maybe.
Okay.
You can make a fire.
No. We don't do that with our carrots. Okay, what's this?
We have some cauliflower, as you see today.
Okay, what's this?
A tomato.
Mm-hmm.
Tomato. And we also have some tangerines.
Nectarines.
Nectarines.
You could put those in your smoothie.
Yes, some more fresh strawberries.
Yum.
And we also have some more.
That's part of the bok choy.
Yeah.
And that was what was in our box today. We got so much great stuff.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for the strawberry jam contest.
Yeah.
We're definitely going to enter, huh, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay. And please stay tuned and come back next week to see what else we unbox from our next CSA produce box from Yasukochi Family Farms. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.